destroy my world!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Iman, and it's Christmas, and I hope you guys will enjoy the Christmas and celebrate it happily. So Merry Christmas to all of you. That's all I can say. Yeah, in this video I will be showing you how to color. You can say that it's a coloring tutorial, of course. So today I'm gonna show you how to color Goku Super Saiyan 3. So I will be using various colors, and in this tutorial I will show you how to color using markers and color pencils both. For the skin I will use color pencils, and for the hairs I will use markers. And for the orange shirt I will use color pencils, and for the blue shirt I will use markers. So enjoy it. And yeah, if you don't have markers, you can use color pencils and shade using it, of course. Well, if you are a beginner, I do not recommend you using markers till the time you do not practice a lot by how to color using color pencils. So let's go. I don't want to make it boring, so I will make the video more fast. So guys, I will be using 4 tones for hairs. So first is the lightest one, and other 3 are the shading ones. So at first I will use a pastel yellow, which is gonna be the lightest color, to reflect some highlights. So as I want the light to come from the top left side. Yeah. With simple brush strokes I will try to color it. So at first I will show you how to color 2 spikes. So I will first use, of course, the brightest tone, as I want the light to come from the top left side. I will not color the full area and leave some blank areas to give it some great highlight. And I will do the same for the next spike. Then I will use a mid-tone, which is fresh yellow, and use it as a mid-tone, of course, to create some shading. And of course later on I will blend it. So for blending I will use again and try to blend them. Well, these markers are not blendable, but I still try to blend them to get a good look. And I will now use a yellow color. As I said, I will use 4 tones, so I will use the 3rd tone, which is deep yellow. Now I will use the 3rd tone, deep yellow, to create more depth to the character. You can do the same steps using the color pencils. Do not use the 4th tone too much. Awesome. Don't do the same for every spike. Do it differently. Now I will use the yellow tone. Sorry, fresh green tone. Sorry. Of course, fresh yellow tone. And create some shading. So now I will use the third tone, which is yellow. Awesome, and now I will use the deep yellow tone. That's not too much visible, but that still looks good.
And here we go, full speed, times 5. Now times 10.
And guys, the hairs look really very shiny, and I'm really very happy. Well, though the paper was not suitable for using markers, it still turned out great. I'm using a normal printing paper, which is of A4 size, and I'm really very happy with the results I get. So now I will start coloring the orange shirt, and for that I will use two tones. First will be orange and second red. So let's do this, guys. So as I said, I will use an orange color pencil, and by simple strokes I will color the entire area. I will keep a paper down below so that way it does not trace anything that's down below the table or something. Now I will color the entire area. Great, so now I will use the red color pencil and do some shading, of course. So probably I want the light to come from the top left side, so the shading can look something like this. Now I will start applying more pressure as I start continuing using the red color pencil, of course. Well, though I can see some lines through it because this paper is not suitable for color pencils, but still I will try to get the best results I can. I will keep on trying to apply more layers on it till the time I am not satisfied. And of course I will do the same at the right side. So let's go. And now I will again use the red color pencil and do some shading. Of course I will do a bit more shading from the left side, but if you want you can keep it just like that or do same shading. That isn't so much noticeable when you do that. So guys, now I decided to color the blue shirt over here, and over here. So for that I will of course use 3 tones. Well, first is sky blue, second you can call it anything, mid-tone or something. So first I will use the sky blue tone and color the areas where I want the light to come from. I'm gonna color using some simple brush strokes. Great, when it's done I will use the mid-tone and color the shaded areas. I was trying to focus but it wasn't able to focus the pen's name, so now I will use a mid-tone and do some shading, and the sky blue tone I will do some adjustments over there. Till then I will just leave it like that and color the entire area in spite of that light blue tone. And I will do the same for both of the arms. And guys, once we are done with this, we can start with the final step. I will color the skin using 2 skin tones. First is the lightest and second will be orange as a darkest tone. So first of all I will start coloring the face. For face I will first use the lightest color pencil. So guys, first of all I will start coloring the face. So first I will use the lightest color pencil and color the entire face. Well, it might not be noticeable when you see through camera. I don't know why it is not able to capture too much the skin tone, but I will still try my best. Yeah, once it's done I will use the same color pencil and apply more pressure to get another tone. Then I will use the orange color as the darkest tone. Now blending. adding one more layer of the color. Now I will start coloring the chest, and I will do the same process for the chest, both of the arms. The reflection varies from place to place. Now blending, and now I will use the orange color pencil. Awesome. Now I'll start coloring the arm, left arm first. Now the orange color pencil, and I will do the same for the right arm. Just the right arm will be a bit more darker. There's one more thing we need to color is the eyes. So for the eyes I will use two tones. First will be the lightest and the second the darkest. Be careful while coloring the eyes because they are really very small, so the ink might flow out. Awesome! So this is how you guys can draw, or you can say color Super Saiyan 3 Goku. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And guys, keep me supporting like this as you are. And I just saw that we have finally reached 100 subscribers. It's really great according to me. I'm really very happy with the results, and I hope you guys will keep me supporting. So guys, keep me supporting, and I will see you of course in my 100 subscriber special video. Thank you.